This 5-minute solution will show you how to use Microsoft Loop on PC and laptop. First of all, open your browser and open loop.microsoft.com. If your first time, you have to create an account to use Loop. So create a Microsoft account and log in into your Loop account, and then you will jump into this page. And if you want to install the Loop on your PC, then click on this three dot and click on install Microsoft Loop. Install, and then Microsoft Loop will be installed on your computer. After that, you can easily use Loop by opening this. So this is the Microsoft Loop homepage. From here, you can click on this three dot to open settings window, and now select the general tab, and from here you can change the Loop theme. You can sign out from your Loop account from here, and here you will get your recent activity or workspace list. You will get your favorite workspace list here, and to create a new workspace, click on this plus icon and enter here your workspace title. And you can add emoji for the workspace from here. Click, and if you want to update cover for your workspace, then click on update cover, and from this gallery you can select any art. Then click on create, and here we can see my workspace has been successfully created. And now enter here the workspace page title and start typing from here. You can insert any template from this list. So I'm going to inserting a template. Once you inserted a template, now it's time to customize the template according to your requirements. And now let's see how you can edit your text. So I'm gonna selecting this line, and then here we can see a menu is showing up here, and from here you can make your text or line bold, italic, underline. You can make text bigger from here, and click on this more icon to get more options to customize your text. You can change your text color from here, and to change any line, click on this icon next to the line you want to move, then click and drag to change the position of the line. That's how you'll be able to do it. And here you can share the workspace by clicking on share button. If you want to give access to this page only, then click on this option and click on this three dot, and from here you can see your version history. You can delete the workspace. If you want to add a new sub page, then click on this three dot, click on new sub page, and now you can write your sub page title here. You can insert or write anything here. You can add icon, add cover photo to your sub page, and click on this three dot again. From here you can open the page, you can share page link, and you can rename, and you can change the rename and style. And to delete any page, click on the three dot, click on delete, and the page will be deleted. If you want to search any page, you can click on this search icon and give here the page name you want to search, and you will get the actual page here. If you want to see notifications, then click on this notification icon, and here you will get all of your notifications. And to open the Microsoft Loop homepage, click on this loop icon to go back to your homepage. And for example, I want to add this project in favorite, so I'm going to click on this three dot and clicking on favorite, and then I can easily find out the particular favorite workspace from this favorite tab. So this is how we can use Microsoft Loop on PC and laptop. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.